Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Biology with Johnny Lal. In today's video, we will discuss about mechanism of translation in eukaryotes. First, what is translation? Translation is the process by which messenger RNA is decoded to synthesize proteins. It occurs in the cytoplasm, on ribosome, ATS, and involves four main stages. In stage 1, activation of amino acid or charging of transfer RNA. In this step, each amino acid is attached to its specific transfer RNA by amino-acyl transfer RNA synthetase, and for this step ATP is used. In stage 2, initiation of translation. In this step, the small ribosomal subunits 40S binds to its messenger RNA at the 5' cap. Initiator transfer RNA carrying methionine binds to the start codon, that is AUG. Eukaryotic initiation factors help in this assembly. The larger subunit 60S joins to form ATS initiation complex, and this step is called as association. In third stage, elongation takes place. This is the main protein synthesis phase, and it takes place in following substeps. In first step, entry of amino-acyl transfer RNA. New transfer RNA enters the A site with the help of elongation factor EEF1A, and GTP is required. Second, peptide bond formation. Enzyme peptidyl transferase forms peptide bond, and then growing chain shifts from P site to A site. One thing is kept in mind: first transfer RNA enters the P site, and the successive transfer RNA with new amino acid comes to A site. In third substeps, translocation takes place. For this, ribosome moves one codon ahead 5' to 3' direction, and empty transfer RNA exits from E site. For this step, eukaryotic elongation factor second and GTP required. In fourth and final stage, termination is take place when a stop codon, either UAA, UAG or UGA, appears. No transfer RNA binds to ribosome, and polypeptide synthesis terminates. For this step, eukaryotic release factors ERF1 and ERF3 bind, and polypeptide chain is released, and ribosomal units separate, and this step is called as dissociation. Now Key features of eukaryotic translation. It occurs in cytoplasm on either free ribosome or ribosome attached to RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is monocistronic. It means one protein per messenger RNA. It requires 5' cap and polyadenylate tail. Initiator amino acid is methionine instead formyl methionine as in prokaryotes. Thanks.